Tamarama Surf Lifesaving Club was one of the first clubs that Dulux donated paint to, and we're so proud to be back here again supporting Tamarama after their major renovation and rebuild.
The old surf club served us well, but it was time to modernise the facilities. The main goal of the renovation was to have a space that was welcoming for the community, highly functional, accessible, and will last for the next 100 years.
Tamarama Surf Lifesaving Club is a beautiful community facility filled with people who love the ocean and really want to volunteer and give something back. The renovation has given us an amazing facility to share with our community.
So we know that these surf clubs are in the harshest of weather conditions across Australia, which is why we really want to support clubs with Dulux Weather Shield. So this allows the club to support the Nippers program and other aspects of the club, such as the parents, the volunteers, the lifesavers of that community, as well as the day-to-day of running a surf club.
One of the things I love most about Tamarama is really the openness and the inclusivity. As long as you have that love for the ocean, this will welcome you. The beach and the ocean doesn't discriminate, and we clearly do not discriminate either.
I've been a nipper for 6 years. I love Tama because it's pretty chill, it's a great community, good waves, good beach, good club, yeah.
We're so proud to continue to support surf lifesaving clubs across Australia, and we can't wait to continue to support clubs with their repaints and rebuilds across the country.